Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss example number 2 on how to rewrite the equation of the circle from general form to standard form. Okay? So how are we going to do that? Ano una natin gagawin? Pagsasamahin natin yung pareho yung mga variable. So we have here x squared. Kasama niya si 4x plus 4x. And then we will put direct blank. Okay, kasi completing the square. Yung gagawin natin. Plus, o yung kay y naman, we have y squared. Okay, minus 6y plus blank. Equals to, yung ating constant term, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, from negative, magiging positive na siya. Positive 1. Plus, kung anong i-add mo dito, i-add mo din dito. Plus, ito dito. So, ito pareho lang yan. Okay? Now, how are we going to have this one? Since we know this is A, ito si B, we have the formula B over 2A squared. Ano ang B natin? 4. Okay, divided by 2 times invisible 1. Okay, and then you square it. So, 2 times 1 is just 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So, ito 4. Ito din 4. Pareho lang lagi yan, ha? Okay, how about here? We have here A, and then this one is B. Okay, so we have B over 2A squared. Ano yung B natin? Negative 6 over 2 times invisible 1. And then you square it. So, 2 times 1 is just 2. So, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Squared. So, negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Correct. So, ito si 9. Ito si 9. And then, kailangan ito maging, ganito na, maging square of binomial. How? By getting the square root of the first term and the last term. Para, shortcut na lang tayo. Okay? So, we get the square root of this one. So, the square root of x squared is just x. Ang square root ng 4 is just 2. Kaya, meron tayong x. Dahil ang middle term ay positive plus 2. And then squared. Okay, plus, yung y naman, diba? Yan, squared. Square root ng first, square root ng last. So, square root ng y squared is just y. Ang square root ng 9 is just 3. So, we have here y minus, kasi minus yung second term natin, 3 squared. Is equal to 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 9, 14. Ayan na. Ang dali naman nito. I-comment ka kung madali o mahirap. Okay, you try. What will be the standard form of this general form? Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!